Hey guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. So in today's following video, I'm going to walk you through how to vote in Crumbl app on a device. So to know more about this, you need to watch this video till the very end. Let's get into the video. So as we know that the Crumbl cookie app, you order gourmet cookies, view weekly flavors, customize orders, earn rewards, and find nearby stores. You can also purchase gift cards and track your loyalty points. So now to know how to vote. So to vote for your favorite cookie flavor on Crumbl app, you need to follow these few steps. So first steps is open the Crumbl app and you need to make sure that you are logged in to your account, and after that you need to just browse the weekly menu to see available cookies flavor. Now after that you just need to select a cookie that you want to vote for, and you will see a thumbs up or thumbs down emoji or icon over there, and icon next to the cookies. So tap the thumbs up to vote for that cookies flavor if you like it. If you don't like it, you just need to click on the thumbs down button. If you would prefer not to vote for specific flavor, tap the thumbs down, and that's how you can just vote to the favorite and unfavorite cookies flavor in this app on a device. And also your votes can help influence which flavors stay or come back in future menus. So that's how you can just vote in this Crumbl app on a device. So that's it for today. Hope this video helped you. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon of our channel. Thank you and see you in the next video.